Alright guys, I'm going to keep these videos pretty short and sweet until the channel grows a little bit. This is mostly for the guys who already are mechanically inclined, that have a basic idea of what they're doing and just want to know what they're going to get into. This is a 2004 Ford Explorer. We're doing wheel bearings or a hub assembly swap. This is rear wheel drive only. If it is all wheel drive, you're gonna have to have a spindle nut socket that's probably going to be a 32 or a 28 to get off, that goes right in the middle of that hub. You have two 14 millimeter bolts holding your brake caliper on. Take that off, hang it up with a bungee cord. There's two 18 millimeter bolts holding the mounting bracket on. Take those off, you get that and your rotor off. Then we have our new hub that's going in. Also comes with a new wheel speed sensor. So just go ahead and unplug that from underneath the hood. In the back, you've got the three 15 millimeter bolts, and it's just as easy as it looks. You take those three bolts out. A lot of times, especially if you're from anywhere up north that has a lot of snow or anything, some of this stuff is going to be really tight. I'd highly recommend you use a breaker bar and a 1/2 inch drive socket on everything. It makes everything a whole lot easier. I've got about a 2 foot long breaker bar I try to use on everything, but you can see here it doesn't always fit. So then once you get those three bolts out, take your little sledgehammer. A regular hammer will work, but you got to put some ass behind it. If it doesn't pop out real easy, work it from both sides, because it is a circle, you know, it's metal inside metal. So work it from both sides, back and forth, until it pops out. Like I said, disconnect your sensor from up under the hood. It'll be right over top of the fender weld. Put your new part back in. Same way everything came out. Put your bolts back in, torque everything down real good, and you're good to go.